Stop being invisible on Amazon. Your main image isn't just a photo, it's your golden ticket. But remember that you are not alone in the search result. In the crowd of listing, how you can be noticed? If you have this question on your mind, stick around, I'll tell you. Your main image isn't just a picture, it's the first thing that customers see. And the first impression can make or break your sale. A clear, high-quality image makes you look professional, build trust, and grab attention. Alright, think about it. Would you click on a blurry photo? Probably not. Remember that better image lead to more clicks, and more clicks means more chances to sell. But you can just click the product picture and add the main image. There are some rules and regulations for Amazon. First, your picture must be in color, not black and white. It needs to exactly match your product title and show the actual product you are selling. The product should cover at least 85% of the frame, and it must be a clear frontal shot. Also, make sure the image is at least 1600 pixels on its longer side so shoppers can zoom in and check out the details. And if you are using a model, they need to be standing up straight, unless you are highlighting assistive tech like prosthetics. Alright, that's it. Keeping the guideline in mind, how do we create a main image that will get clicked? Now I'm giving you the hacks. Use image props. Alright, look at these two images. This one uses props while the other doesn't. Using props create a big difference here. When shoppers scroll through Amazon, they make split-second decisions based on what catches their eyes. A plain bottle might look nice, but an image with props like turmeric powder, capsules, and fresh ginger grabs attention here. It instantly shows what's inside without making customers read the label. Plus, it looks more premium and trustworthy because they can see real ingredients. That small detail make a big difference. More clicks mean more sales, so adding props to your main image is a smart way to stand out. Pushing keywords into main image. Well, as Amazon strictly noted that you cannot use extra anything in the main image as it gets mislead to the visitors, you only have to show plain item with a white background. But still, we can be tricky like this one. In this cookie tray, you can see all the information without even reading the description or anything written. That's a huge benefit. Think about it. When a person searches for cookie tray, he must have some requirements such as size preference. Maybe he is looking for a non-sticky tray. When this image comes in front of him, most probably he's gonna click this. Using keywords on the images like non-sticky or easy to clean makes the product's benefit clear at a glance. Words like stackable or 3 sizes quickly explain why the cookie tray is useful. Without keywords, customer might miss these features, even if the photos look nice. Give them an idea about quantity. Show the quantity like this image, where you have idea that this contain 120 pieces of tablet, or like this cookie tray, you know that this comes up with 3 different sizes. When shoppers see the exact amount they are getting, it builds trust and helps them make a quick decision. A simple visual cue can be more powerful than text alone, making your main image more effective and interesting. Using colors. Using colors in your main image is a game changer. Bright, bold colors grab attention and make your product stand out in a sea of similar listing. Think about red. It's energetic and create urgency. Blue. It gives a sense of trust and reliability. Green is a perfect for anything organic. Let me show you an example. When I search for this transparent bottle, between these two, this colorful one grabbed my attention. Both of them are transparent, but this one displayed with the color that attracts the eyes. You need to stand out instantly. A splash of color can make all the difference. Use color variation strategically to grab attention and make your product pop in Amazon search result. Shoppers scroll fast and most of them don't read the title. They rely on visuals to decide what to click and what not. So if your competitors' images are dull or blend in, but yours has a bold, attractive color scheme, guess what? You win the clicks. Show various angles. A plain front-facing image of product can feel pretty boring and forgettable. It looks unrealistic. But when you show the product from another angle with natural shadows, it looks more real and interesting. For example, these two pictures of a chair. One is just a basic front shot on a white background, while the other shows the chair from the side with shadows that gives it depth. The second one is way more eye-catching and helps shopper get a better sense of what the chair actually look like. And if your product has cool features like hidden storage or built-in speakers, make sure to show them from different angles. This way, you are not just showing the product, you are telling them a story, giving the exact idea of how the product fits into their life, making it more relatable and desirable. Alright, there are some basic I need to tell you. First, you need to take a professional, high-quality picture of your items. This is your first chance to make a great impression. A well-lit, detailed image lets customers see every feature, making them feel like they already own it. So, set up a clean background, use natural light, and capture your product from its best angles. Choose the right angle to show the items. Use good lighting that shows clearly. Make sure your image captures the intricate details of your product. Alright, so you get the idea about images, but if you have hard time and if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 12 years of experience. You can get a same-day appointment. For that, just email us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you. Well, that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.